Alright guys, I'm gonna test this stuff real quick. Show you guys. This front left blinker is orange, so I'm assuming this is gonna be the orange one. So go ahead and turn the lights on. The power on. Grab my leads. And I'm gonna start with this orange one, which this bottom pin is gonna be the ground. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get both of these in there. I don't think so. So I guess I'll try to probe it from the outside. Alright, so let's see. I've got 0.3, 0.37. Okay, now let's go ahead and hit the blinker. Good enough. You can see it's alternating between almost 10 and then back down to whatever it was, 0.3 I guess. So that one appears to be working. So let's go ahead and try this blue one. I don't see anything. Let's go ahead and hit the blinker. Yep, that's also alternating, so those are good. So now, let's check this one. So I'm not sure which one goes to what, but let's go ahead and start with the ground. And then I will check this green and yellow one. 0.1, let's try this one. Alright, so that must be my tail light. And then now this one, let's see, it's going to be kind of tough. Let's see if I can hold these while also pressing the brake light. Or the brake, I'm seeing it briefly. I'm thinking that I'm not getting good contact because this is really hard to do. There we go. Alright, so that's working. So all the wires coming off are working. Now I just gotta clean up this mess in the back.